This is our 1966 Dodge Monaco 500 hardtop. So this video will cover a few different things. First off, there will be a very slow-paced walk around of the car. Following that, there will be a second walk around where I'll show close-ups of all the cosmetic blemishes, and then some video clips of the interior, as well as under the hood. So we purchased the car out of Ohio. It was a single-family owned car. The original owner gave it to his nephew in 1988, and that's the gentleman we bought it from. 100% original paint, as confirmed with an alcometer. Paint gauge readings are 1.9 to 2.8 every corner of every panel. Pretty impressive. Little tiny bits of touch-up, but man, just really honest original car. Looks so good over the blue vinyl interior as well. It's low mile, in addition to being all original. It's 44,600 miles. Body's in really nice shape. The glass is all clear and crack free. Light lenses are all good, not showing their age. The chrome is excellent. The front and rear bumper are just totally mint. I mean, you'll see the cosmetic blemishes later in the video, but again, there's not very many. Car will come with quite a bit of documentation. The guy actually held on to the original window sticker, the handwritten dealer invoice, the copy of the bank note from when he bought it. It has the original title, the original manuals, even a couple Polaroids from when the guy brought it home from the dealership. Wheels are in really nice shape. No curb rash or oxidation. The tires, they're BFG white walls. They're in really nice shape, but I'm not positive as to how old they are. So recommend replacing those sooner rather than later. But no dry rot, no flat spots, nothing like that. Windows roll up smoothly, all four. It is obviously a pillarless car, and they seal right up nice and tight to the top. Overall, very handsome, very original car. So here are all the cosmetic blemishes. Up on the front end, just the tiniest little chips. Come to the corner, a couple more. One of the more significant spots on the car is on the driver quarter, just behind the door. You can see there's a tiny little ding there, a couple chips. They're touched up, of course. And then more significant is a touched up scratch, also on that driver quarter. Come to the back, you can see just under the tail lights, little tiny bits of paint blemishes. Nothing very significant. There are quite a few underbody photos in the listing as well. Looks good. I can see some touch up there on a scratch along that body line. But car was undercoated at the dealer when new, served its purpose, held up very well. And again, a couple little chips. Now on to the blue vinyl interior. Original interior, super impressive. Really the only thing that's showing any age would be the carpet, and even that looks pretty good. Tiny bits of discoloring in the rear floors, but really nothing significant. The dash top is mint. Door panels, no crushed armrests, nothing like that. Really smooth. The polished surfaces are all mint. The gauges are all functional. Even the analog clock within the gauge cluster is still functional. The interior lights all work. The odometer, that 44,000 reading, is accurate. The heat and fan are good. Radio turns on but seems to only play static as of now. Seats are in excellent shape. No burst seams, no punctures, no big scuffs, nothing like that. Very, very nice. They're not blown out, still comfortable and supportive. The rear is equally clean. Lap belts all the way around. Headliner, color matched, and is clean and tight. Sun visors hold their position.